Hey everyone, welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a pizza food truck and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your pizza food truck. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, Marty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's head to the top, search for our market, pizza food truck. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Go ahead and put in your company name, your city, and your state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from. You can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you. Bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of the amazing pizzas you're serving up at your food truck. Want to showcase them on your website, maybe make a few changes to this content, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. That looks delicious. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to be showing you the ropes. Let's make our way to the first section at the top and work our way through. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update section, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Phone number, that is click to call, by the way, and physical location. Maybe you want to leave it off because maybe your food truck moves around your city. But if you want to pop one in over here, go ahead and do so. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links put on the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website when you've put in the social media links. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it over here. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that pencil over here. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, go ahead and click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. For each section that you want to make a bit more personalized to your pizza food truck, all you need to do is click on update section and head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library, hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images. And update action is where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on them, where the buttons link to. You can even upload a PDF file, which is a great way to showcase your menu on your website. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your website, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain, click it. If you don't have a custom domain, we recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Awesome. Well, I hope that tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your pizza food truck. And I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success.